today's press conference is called that 6 months back the dance bars which were shut down has two of the dance bars have reopened again, and they are misusing the government licenses. That is, village panchayatin je license dila tenka is only for restaurant and bar, and they are misusing these restaurant licenses to operate dance bar. A dance bar culture आमच्या गोंयान केन्नाच नासलो, हो बॉम्बे आहलो, आनी बॉम्बेच्या सरकारान जो आदलो सरकार आहलो काँग्रेस सरकार, काँग्रेस NCP, तेणी हे डान्स बार बॉम्बे बॉन केले आनी तितून आमचे गोंयान 14 डान्स बार स्टार्ट जाले आयसून अरावंड 10 years बॅक. आनी हे डान्स बार हेंच्यांनी कितलेशेच वायट गजाली आमचे कलांगूट कांदोली बागान हाडले आनी आमचे हे कोस्टल बेल्टाचें नांव पिड्यार केलें. हे डान्स बार जेन्ना ऑपरेट जाता तेन्ना थिंगा भितर आनीक दुसरे भाशेचे बिझनस जाता आनी इट बिकेम व्हेरी अनसेफ फॉर वुमन टू वॉक ऑन द रोड.
For the past 7 to 8 years, it's always been there in our village and constituency. Now, one of the press friends had asked, like, why are we against dance bars and not the other type of bars? See, dance bars as such are fronts for prostitution. It is just a name, dance bar, but actual business that is going inside is prostitution. Dance bars, along with dance bars, you get these touts, pimps, badwas, jamuntami. Who are these people? They are agents of prostitution. So what they do basically is, on the roads, you see there are hundreds, 150 depending on season. Friday, Saturday, they increase in number. Any outstation vehicle that comes, tourists who roam in the yellow number plate bikes, they are stopped by these touts and shown pictures of girls saying that, girls are there available, and they give prizes for starting from a kiss to whatever. There are different rates being put. So this is how they lure these tourists to these dance bars. And as I said, they're fronts of prostitution. Apart from that, these touts, pimps, and some of the dance bar owners, they also cheat and rob and beat tourists inside, thereby giving our village a bad name. Why will tourists come again when they're cheated and beaten? So this is something that we don't agree with. Same time, since now you see so many people asking and selling girls to you on the street, what will the tourist think? That this village is a sex village. Any girl on the road after 10 or 11 is a prostitute. So even tourists sometimes approach the girls directly, and these girls are local girls who are maybe working, coming from work, or gone to a restaurant, had food, and come and standing on the road. So is this what we really want? That outsiders thinking our village, our girls are prostitutes? No.